guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Preeti here. So this video is all about unboxing. So today I'll be unboxing this special edition box, that's Lujobox. This is the box and the price for this box is only 500 rupees. Yes, only 500 rupees. And it says that the products inside this box is worth rupees 5,000. This is a special edition box and it has 5 plus 1 products. Yes, you get 5 products plus 1 product free. So this is how the box looks. It is a black matte curated box written in matte golden as Lujobox, and let me open this for you. And when I open, it looks like this. So the first thing I did not like about this box is there was no card inside this box where it mentioned the name of the products and the price of the products. So here are total 6 products inside this box. 1, 2, 3. I haven't used it. It came like this in this condition, and the condition of this box was also same. So I'm really unhappy with the boxing that they have given me. So that's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let me just show you what all are these products inside this box. So let me just start with this. This is a kajal pencil, Elenblu Cosmetics, and this kajal pencil is for 399 rupees. It's written over here, 399 rupees, and the manufacturing date is 2018 and the expiry date is 2020. So this is how the pencil looks. Let me just swatch for you. Oh, it glides very nicely. It's a very nice kajal pencil. So second product we have Vyas and Luth Cruelty free, Pareben free face cream. Now what it says this water and oil emulsified face cream is enriched with beeswax, aloe vera, olive oil and vitamin E. It's designed to moisturize the skin, make it smooth and soft. And the price for this cream is 1299. Wow. And again, this is 15th November 2018 and it's written best before 36 months of manufacturing date. It has really hydrated my hand, as you can see. Okay, moving on to next product. This is Wild Earth Signature Beauty Potions by Shabia Walia. Peach, grapes and cherry body butter. This is a body butter, and this is again the manufacturing date is 2018, October 2018, and it says our products are natural, eco-friendly, cruelty-free, free from sulfate and parabens. Do not use if allergic to any ingredients, best before 24 months of manufacture. Now this is in a sachet and it's good for traveling, but I usually do not like sachet products because it gets very messy once you open it. It gets really messy. So I think if this product in a sample bottle, it would have been much better. So next is La Cure Dead Sea Products Facial Mud Mask with natural Dead Sea minerals. It contains no animal products, not tested on animals, alcohol free, paraben free, and the manufacturing date is 6/2017 and the expiry date is 6/2022. I'm really annoyed. Why are you sending me old products? Okay, next product is Quinta Essentia Organic Lavender Hair Mask. Food for skin. The price for this product is rupees 650. Wow, the smell is so good. Now the last product that I've received from this box is from Kamakshi Vetiver Water Face and Body Mist, and the price for this bottle is 425 and the manufacturing date is February 2019. This is the only manufacturing that latest product that I've received, and this product you have to use it before 12 months. It smells really bad. So guys, these were the products. From Lujobox. If you are really interested to buy this box, then please check the description box. You can click on the link and you can purchase from there. And they have different subscription boxes, that is for like 6 months, 12 months, 1 month, whatever you want. But this is which you still can get online. Okay, I hope you really like this unboxing. If you really like this video, then please press that thumb button, and if you are new to my channel, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting my next tutorial very soon. Till then, bye bye.